Does Allah have the greatest name? And the answer is yes. Is that confirmed by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? And the answer is yes. Do many people know it? And the answer is no. But tonight we're going to change the last answer inshallah ta'ala. In many ahadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the second hadith, Rasulullah mentioned the name of Allah al-Azam in some narrations. It's authentic that it is Yuhayyu Yukayyim. But the one we're going to learn tonight, inshallah ta'ala, Rasulullah, he did not only say that this is the greatest name of Allah, he swore by the one whom the soul of Muhammad in his hand. Let me ask you a question. Whom the soul of Muhammad in his hand? Let me ask you a question. Does Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam have to swear for us to believe him? So look at the depth of this dua that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam walked into the masjid. He saw a man making dua. He said,
Allahumma inni as'aluka bi'annaka anta Allah, la ilaha illa ant, al-ahad, as-samad, alladhi lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad.
Rasulullah said, by the one whom Muhammad saw in his hand, he asked Allah by his greatest names. The name, when he is asked by, he gives, and if he is called upon, he answers. Please, who's saying this? Rasulullah, the one who taught us. Gives, and if he's called upon, he answers. Please, who's saying this? Rasulullah, the one who taught us everything about our deen. What is this dua? The man said,
Allahumma inni as'aluka, we all know that, right? Allahumma inni as'aluka bi'annaka anta Allah.
You are Allah.
La ilaha illa ant.
There's no one worthy of worship except you. Then the rest is what?
Surah Al-Ikhlas. Bi'annaka anta Allah. Al-ahad, the only one. As-samad. Then the rest, literally Surah Al-Ikhlas. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad.
And then ask Allah after that introduction whatever you want.
Subhanallah.
Let's do it together as usual, okay?
Allahumma inni as'aluka bi'annaka anta Allah, la ilaha illa ant, al-ahad, as-samad, alladhi lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad.
I don't want somebody to go, Sheikh, I made this dua for 3 days, and I ask Allah for a good wife, and I'm still single. It doesn't work like that. Al-Ihafi al-Dua. Doesn't work like that. Al-Ihafi al-Dua. Make dua constantly. Have certainty that Allah will answer when it is the best time for me. Can I say this in my sujood? Absolutely. Can I say this before I make taslim? Absolutely.
Can I say it just any time? Absolutely. So please make this dua. Teach this dua to your spouses, to your children.